all-new Montero Sport. Experience safety and technology.
The new Montero Sport combines sophisticated styling and comfort with an advanced version of its overwhelming driving performance. By combining these two elements on a higher dimension, we've created an entirely new off-road SUV. The concept behind the design is dynamic cruising off-roader. As with previous Montero Sport models, it's been designed to combine a tough, dynamic sportiness and superior quality. For the front, we've adopted Mitsubishi Motors' dynamic shield design concept. The bumper that's connected to the side body represents a shield that protects passengers and the car. A single glance reveals the originality of the rear combination lamp. The interior also combines a sense of powerful strength with superior quality. The high console connected to the instrument panel creates a comfortable, personalized space and expresses the powerful strength of an off-roader with superior quality. The contrast between the aluminium-like silver decorations and the black instrument panel gives a dynamic and modern impression overall. The four-spoke steering wheel and other functional components around the shift panel have all been meticulously designed for a superior feeling of exquisite quality. The vehicle offers a superbly silent driving experience in the class. In addition, we've made the seats even more comfortable and dual-zone automatic air conditioning for comfort. The model also offers advanced conveniences, such as an electric parking brake and multi-around monitor system that helps drivers check all sides during parking. The off-road SUV performance has improved dramatically. We've developed a 6-speed manual transmission and a new 8-speed automatic transmission. The newly incorporated clean diesel engine and high-power V6 gasoline engine offer top-of-the-class environmental and power.
Imagine a diesel engine that is quiet, smooth, powerful, and is as fun to drive as a gasoline engine. Introducing the world's first clean diesel engine with an electronic variable valve mechanism. The Mitsubishi MIVEC Clean Diesel Engine. Clean, powerful, efficient.
Our unique Super Select 4-wheel drive 2 system offers 4 driving modes, from a 2-wheel drive mode to a 4-wheel drive low mode with a locking differential. Further, the model offers Mitsubishi Motors' first ever off-road select function. Gravel, mud, snow, sand, or rock. With a minimum turning radius of 5.6 meters, it also has great maneuverability. The new Montero Sport combines a rise body with 7 airbags for excellent collision safety. It is also built with 3 cutting-edge risk mitigation technologies. The blind spot warning system that warns drivers of the presence of vehicles in blind spots diagonally behind the car. The forward collision mitigation system. The ultrasonic misacceleration mitigation system that mitigates sudden forward or backward starts caused by stepping on the wrong pedal. These innovative technologies will help attain safe driving for all drivers. All new Montero Sport is sure to represent a new standard of value for the off-road SUV. All new Mitsubishi Montero Sport.
You and me are born of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high in love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. 'Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see. Never feeling wrong 'cause we don't belong. And getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible. Every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible.
Thanks for watching! A like would be appreciated. Subscribe!